Hey, it's Gene with Dent Repair Now. Today, we've got an ugly little dent on the rear door of a 2016 Honda HRV. Let me take you over and show you some of the damage. All right, here it is, driver's rear door. You can see the dent goes through the body line, and then it's actually pretty sharp at the bottom, and there is a little bit of superficial scratching. The repair came out great, just the tiniest little wiggle. And as far as the scratches goes, just one little scar in the clear, right there, just above my finger. We're really happy with how this came out. As you can see, that repair came out great. The customer totally loved it, and almost all of those scratches buffed all the way out. If we can help you out, visit us on the web at dentrepairnow.com or give us a call or text at the number below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.